Hello, I am Rans Andre M. Bercasio. I'm your teacher. Today, we will discuss about an angle. Angles are formed when two lines intersect at a point. The measure of the opening between those two rays is called an angle. It's represented by the symbol of. Angles are usually measured in degrees and radians, which is a measure of circulatory or rotation. Angles are part of our day-to-day life. Engineers and architects use for the designs of roads, buildings, and sporting facilities. So let's have there are examples of right, obtuse, and acute angles. So first are is right angles. When an when right angles is measured 90 degrees at exactly, it is known as it can be known easily observed as a form of L or the letter L. And this is the example of uh, right angle. However, there is one more place whether the right angle is used, then that is right angle triangle. If among three triangles of eight angles, one angle is 90 degrees, that is so called a right angle triangle. Since the three intersector angles is a right angle triangle, add to 180 degree, and if one angle is called 90 degree, then the other two angle must always add acute angle. Acute angle is measured less than 90 degrees. For example, when the time is 11 o'clock, the angle formed between the hour hand and the minute hand is an acute angle. In other words, 30 degree, 40 degree, and 57 degrees, and so on are called angles or acute angle. In an acute angle is formed when two rays meet at a vertex. When this angle measures less than 90 degrees, it is termed an acute angle. In the figure shown below, the angle formed between ray 1 and ray 2 is an acute angle. An acute angle is defined as an angle that measures between 0 to 90 degrees. So, there are steps on how to solve a acute angle using protractor. Step 1. Step 1. Align the protractor with the ray OB as shown below, starting reading the inner scale from the 0 degree mark on the bottom right of the protractor. Step 2. The number on the protractor that coincides with the second ray is the measure of the angle. Measure the angle using the inner scale of the protractor. Thus, angle AOB is equal to 37 degrees. And the last is obtuse angle. In geometry, an angle that is greater than 90 degrees but lesser than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. We can easily recognize an obtuse angle because its extent forms a right angle. Obtuse angle explained in the details with examples, but first then learn about angles. So, a common example to understand what an obtuse angles look is to observe the minute and hand hour of a cook. For example, during a 24-hour day, a clock frame many obtuse angle degree between an hour or hour and a minute hand. For example, when it is 12, this is the way how to solve an obtuse angle. Step 1. Measure the angle using the outer scale of the protractor from the 0 degree mark on the bottom left. Step 2. The number on the outer scales of the protractor that coincides with OA is the measure of angle AOC. Thus, angle AOC is equal to 143 degrees. These are the examples of angles, which is obtuse, right, and acute angle.